Last but not least, now JetEngine has a built-in style manager for the block editor. Previously, you needed an additional plugin to style JetEngine blocks. Now the Style Manager comes bundled directly with JetEngine, and we'll be rolling it out to other Crocoblock plugins as their blocks get upgraded. JetSmart Filters already uses it as of the last release. All the style controls are now in the same place as native block styles, a separate Styles tab in the block sidebar. And the device switcher works seamlessly. When you switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, the Style Manager automatically switches modes too. If some styles were already set on a larger breakpoint, you'll see a gray indicator. If the styles are defined specifically for the current device, they're marked in blue. The new Style Manager also uses the built-in WordPress Fonts Manager, so you'll only see the fonts you've added there. And if you still have the old JetStyleManager plugin installed, don't worry. The new Style Manager works alongside it, and automatic migration will come later once the new system is fully implemented across all Crocoblock plugins. And that wraps up JetEngine 3.7. The new AI Command Center is a huge turning point with a ton of room to grow. The calendar event badge is a long-awaited upgrade, and the rest of the features make the whole workflow smoother. If you want more content like this, leave a like, comment below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.